All right, we're live. Let's do this again. Let's be a good boy streamer. All right, what's going on, guys? A couple takes in here, but we're back, and I want to do a kind of stream here, going over what I've been trying to do for the last hour, and that's trying to show you guys me building out an attempt at making a SaaS platform for getting leads, data, information, and hopefully getting things like extracting insights and making custom emails or whatever kind of personalizations with the person's profile. And yeah, I've kind of spent a lot of time thinking about this project, and I've come up with a domain for this called, right here, scrapetable.com over on the window. And we're going to be using a new framework that I've been checking out called Wasp. And Wasp allows us to build full stack apps faster with React, Node.js, and Prisma, which sounds cool, but will probably go over my head completely. And the way this app I kind of want to work will go is kind of a combination of two platforms. The first being Bright Data. Kind of like a scraping, like an enterprise level scraping tool. I probably will end up making videos on this, but yeah, Bright Data, if you're seeing this video, please sponsor me. I will make a video on you guys because I do like your service a lot. And also Clay. Clay is another one that allows us to scrape information on people and scale lead campaigns through getting data. Yeah, I think it's really, really cool. And yeah, they got a lot of good people there. But yeah, so these two kinds of services are where I'm kind of thinking of building this SaaS product at. I don't know how far I'm going to get or what I'm going to do, but we're going to try. We're going to try here. We're going to attempt to build this little platform here. In the last stream before everything got cut out, I had to install Wasp. So we're going to try to play around with some of their stuff here, like their template scripts here. I want to see how these work. And then also they have a, not the guide here, where is it? I think it's just, I don't know if I can, this. Yes, this Open SaaS. This is a tool here for a free SaaS template. We're gonna see if we can try using this and see if we can poke around with it and make some cool stuff. So that's the plan for today. Let's try to give this a shot here. It's already kind of late. I need to go to bed quite soon here, but yes. Just in case anyone does chatteroony, I'll put you over here and let's get started. All right, so I installed all the goods on here and I've got the docs pulled up on the left side here. So maybe I can try to show you guys this. No, come on. All right. I don't fucking know what the hell. What the fuck is going on here? Okay. All right. So you want to make a new Wasp project. I already have all my development set up here that I did it in the stream before this. But we're just gonna check this out and just see what happens. Come on. There we go. We're going to name this good old my project. Okay, we're going to name this Scrape Table 1. We want the... What the fuck? Sure. CD Table 1, Wasp start. Starting npm install. Okay. Okay. Oh, things are happening. Oh boy. It's going great. We'll get there soon. I sure hope so. Ooh. Lots going down here. Oh, it even gives like a network port. This might be bad. Did I just leak my IP? If I just leaked my IP, then this is over. You gotta be fucking kidding me. No, that's not my IP. If one of you motherfuckers dox me, I swear to God, all the work I put into my goddamn channel just to get doxxed, come on now. It's not very friendly. All right, we're doing good though. We're gonna continue on. Okay, so let's check this out. What are we working with here? Looks very similar to a Node application, but a little bit different here. What's the tutorial? Interesting. Okay. Project structure. Let's check this out. Main.wasp. Is this in here? This. Oh, what do I need? Yeah, I'm gonna need. There we go. I was like, I can't, for some reason, I just see text that's white, I like freeze. I'm just like, oh God, this looks like Chinese. Can't compute. Brain just exploded. By your code, we mean the code you write as opposed to the code generated by Wasp. Uses Vite. I have not done too much with Vite, so this will be interesting. Main.wasp. Main.wasp. Oh, this is the same thing here. So this is the top level information about your app. So the version and the title. The route describes which path each page should be accessible from. So the slash here. The page defines a web page and the React component that gets rendered when the page is loaded. The page. So this main page here is the main page. Right? Main page. Hello world. Absolute cringe. Look at that. I'm a programmer. Okay, so this is linked up to here in the main page at src-mainpage.jsx. That's pretty self-explanatory. So let's just test this out for funsies here. Let's do path.test to second page, second page, second page.jsx. Let's come to your good pal ChatGPT. Generate me a nice looking table in JSX. Let's see. Say put everything in one file. We're gonna test this out here. I'm being lazy, being mega lazy. I just want to see if these routes work, what this is all about. But let's continue on. And how to build your web app. Interesting. Okay, so according to my calculations here, this will throw an error for sure. Or just post nothing. Wait. Huh. Okay. What if I... Bloop. Oh, wait a dirty second. It says table.css. Okay. Come on. Come on, gang. Oh, the root route. What if I change this to second route? Second page. Import second page. Did I? Oh, it's fucking table. That's why. Maybe. Am I just tripping? What the fuck? Interesting. If I go back over to this. What am I doing wrong? That is strange. So that's definitely working, but then this somehow is messing it up. Okay. Let's just test this out. So if we want to add this into here, like you, and the hello page.jsx, I wanted to see. Here's Johnny, man. What's going on here? Oh, did I do something already? I fucked this up already, didn't I? Home mic projects STST is not found. I don't understand. Okay. Let's just give this another shot. Let's just ugh. ST2. All right. Okay. Okay, let's check this out. Okay. We don't need you anymore. I do want to run this. Oh, then Wasp start. Right. There we go. Okay. Interesting. There's a lot to learn here. I'm just gonna follow the tutorial. Just gonna follow the tutorial. That's all we're really trying to do for today, I guess. I might even just try to make like a local version of this type of project that I'm trying to build, because the local version will make a lot more sense, at least in my head, than if the local version works, figure out how to deploy it with like in the real world and everything. So yeah, might be the move, but listening on 301. That is interesting. Oh, that's the port though. Okay. Right. Let's check this out. So if we the main page. Wasp logo, const export main page. So it's just like a regular React component here. That's pretty standard. Gotcha. And then it uses the Wasp logo from the same folder. That's fine. Okay, and it just picks up everything sick. But then this, oh baby, this. src hello page.jsx. Okay. Okay, please tell me this is working. What the fuck? Why? Here's props main page. Oh wait, do I have to go to? That is strange. Now that you've seen the Wasp deals with routes and pages, I haven't seen shit. I've seen nothing. I've seen. I'm seeing this here. At least in this case, it didn't break. All right, there we go. That's sweet. Awesome. Okay. Can remove all the unnecessary code. Hello world. Very fun. Alright, at this point it should look like this. It does. You can now delete redundant files like src main CSS. Okay, Wasp logo. Okay. And not our hello page. That's sad. Now will this brick my thing like it did last time? God, this terminal is just going, dude. It is on fire. All right. Yeah, it resolved it. Failed to load and it resolved it. No. Whatever. All right. Main.wasp. Okay. Duh. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Gotcha. All right, databases. This is where my knowledge of coding, you can just chuck it out the window. Okay, so entities are one of the most important concepts in Wasp. Is now how you define what gets stored in the database. We'll define a task entity in the Wasp file. Sure. Bloop. And Wasp uses Prisma as a way to talk to a database. You can define entities by defining Prisma models, use the Prisma schema language. Okay, I don't really know a lot about Prisma, except that this and this, and that this is an integer, a string, Boolean. I don't know what these do, but I can these are the columns. I understand that. That's as far as I got. But okay. To update the database schema to include this entity, stop the Wasp start process if it's running, and then run this. Gotcha. Look at that. We already migrated this bit. Let's take a look at the studio. Let's see what we're working with. Oh, we got the task. Unable to run script. Huh. Open a model. Interesting. Okay. Querying the database. Okay, let's check this out. We want to know which tasks we need to do, so let's list them. I need a fucking break. That's part of my tasks, right? The primary way we work with entities in Wasp is queries and actions, known as operations. Queries are used to read entity. Actions used to create, modify, and delete entities. Since you want to list the tasks, we'll want to use a query. To list the tasks, you must create a query that fetches the task from the database. Update the main.js page to use that query and display the results. We'll create a new query called getTasks. Right. So, query get tasks. So this, no. Oh, I'm fucking stupid. I gotta read sometimes, guys. Sorry. Okay. A new query called get tasks. Right. So it knows that it exists. So this specifies where the implementation of the query function is, the path SRC queries resolves queries. Tell Wasp what this query needs, reads from the task entity. Oh, so this is like a way that we can call this function throughout our code to get instances of information. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking, chat. That's what I'm thinking. Queries.js. Our good friend, the JS file. Very familiar with the JS file. Export const get tasks. Return context entities tasks. Find many. Order by ID ascending. So this is basically defining the query that we are setting in here. We are setting in there, and that is to find the tasks by ID ascending. Gotcha. Okay. Now I'm just going to since the query declaration was context entities tasks used above to fetch all tasks from the database. So context entities dot task. I think find many. Right, that doesn't explain anything. Invoking the query on the front end. This makes it easy for us to get the get task query we just created in our React component. In our src main page.jsx, we've got this bad boy. Right, let's go through this. So we're going from hello world to this. Woof. Const main page. So we're loading the main page, and then we are getting in the tasks here. Const task view. The task list. No tasks. Interesting. Most of this code is regular React. The links should be the two special Wasp imports, which are these. The get tasks and the use query. The get task is the query function generated based on the get task declaration in Wasp. So this is being used because of this right here. So this function right here is then being used in here. And this function is being defined as such there. Use query get task. And then the use query is React's hook to get this fetch from the database. Okay. We should have called the query directly. Should see no tasks on the screen. Gotcha. Okay. Brother. Oh. Dude. Come on. I want to Why can't I just... Yeah. I can't believe I forgot that command. You didn't see it here. I don't know how it wasn't working the first time, but guess it wasn't. Whatever, I'm not gonna complain. Okay. What? I have this in here. Network error. Maybe this didn't work again? I don't know. Wasp start. Dude. No tasks. Look at that, first try. Too easy. Where's my senior dev role? Oh, God. Too easy. Too easy. All right, modifying our data, baby. Now this is where the magic happens. Okay. Creation. That should be a word. Create action. Action in the main.wasp. Create action. Okay. We don't have this file yet. That's fine. Right, yeah, that worked. Invoking the action in the client. Start by defining a form for creating new tasks. So we need to add in our create task here. And then we have our new function here to slap in right here. Handle submit. Wait. Start by defining a form for creating new tasks. In this, we've done that correctly. We
can add actions or Ruby and hook because they don't need reactivity. The rest is just like regular React code. And now also is adding form to the page component. Return new task form. And that's just regular. Great work. Thank you. Don't mind if I do. Try creating a build it to do app in Wasp task and see if it appears below. No way. Celebrate. Celibate. Lol. Hey. New. It's exciting, guys. We're getting places. We are getting places with this. Try. Okay, sweet. And if we refresh the page, close and open the browser, it's still there. So that means we're writing it to the database. Interesting. When you create a new task, the list of tasks is automatically updated to display that new task. Even though we've not written any code out there, okay. When you declare the get task and create task operation, specify that they both use test and T. So when create task is called, Wasp to get tasks switches out of the box. Interesting. Okay. I like where this is going. I do indeed. Check this out as well. Terrible. There's nothing I hate more than TikTok. All right. Can't click on them. If you can't mark a task is done. Ugh, duh. Of course I can't mark a task is done. Kidding me? It's silly. That's silly. Gotcha. So now we have our create tasks, our get tasks, FN import entities task. So this is just merely defining the function. So this is all the same thing, is it? Is it yes, no? Yes, no? For this, okay, yeah. So look at that. That makes more sense. So these are impacting this. So this is pretty much the same thing for all of them. That's pretty easy to understand. And then we can add another action here. So this action goes into here. Right. Right. And then we can use the update task in the main.jss. So this, we have a new boy here. Const task view. Right.
I broke something. Fuck. What's happening? What's happening? Things were going so well. What? Why? Things were going so well until they weren't. Actions, queries, constant new tab. I don't understand why this is being weird. Fuck me, dude. I have no clue. Oh, is this like... Okay, good. I was wondering. I was like, holy shit. Is that echoing? We're good, we're good. Yeah, dude, I don't understand this. Why is this not doing its thing? If this worked correctly... Oh, I'm fucking stupid. Like, why is this not working? I do not understand. What is happening here? Dude. I don't understand. Why the fuck is this not working? This is like so brutal. It's just so weird. Huh. What am I doing wrong here? Is it this? Is it the fucking... the unused... That seems to be working. And then if I add the action in here. Oh, never mind. That goes in here. Oh, look at that. It even saves our things beforehand. And then we add our action like good boys. This should compile because it's not using anything. And then this is task view. Why? You what? What the fuck? Update task. Handle is done changing. Yeah, when the input box is clicked, that button does that. Might check out something else here. Oh. Ho. Look at that. Now we're doing things. What's up, man? Bishwajit, how you doing? We're making progress. This is new. I'm trying to follow this tutorial. I want to at least try Wasp. Give it a good spin. Yeah, how many more steps do we have on this? Oh, one more. Okay. Yeah, let's add this in, and then I'm gonna try the open SaaS template. We're gonna kind of look through that and see what's up, and then I'll probably call it there for the stream. But the whole goal in this stream here, or the series of streams I'm gonna do, is to build a SaaS application to get leads. It's kind of the goal, but we'll see if it happens. Okay, so let's check this out. Create a user entity. Okay. Tell Wasp to use the username, password authentication, and log and sign up pages. Update the main page to require authentication in relation between user and task entities. Modify queries and actions so users can only see their and modify their tasks, and then add a logout button. Okay. All three entities for you in the background. Nothing to do here. You must only add the user entity to keep track of who owns which task. Right. So this is a new entity that we have to declare in here. That's fine. Adding auth to the project. So we have our new version of our app to do. Oh, is this gonna... Interesting. A lot of stuff is going on here. Don't forget to update the schema. Yes, indeed. Test. Right. Okay. By doing this, Wasp will create auth UI. A logout action, a React hook, a context user for queries and actions. Wasp creates the login and sign up forms for us, but we still need to define the pages to display those forms on. Start by declaring the pages in the Wasp file. So we still have to declare them even if they do exist. Oh no, we just have put templates for them. Interesting. Okay. So we have our sign up route, our login route, our entities, and our actions here. Okay, this is actually kind of pretty easy to understand here. This is the only like new file, and it's what the fuck? I'm scared. Mom, pick me up. Okay. So, hold on. All right. Oh, it's missing these routes. Yeah, okay. This is pretty okay. So, we need this login page .jsx. Oh, and the sign up page .jsx. Gotcha. Whew, phew. It's a close one. We don't want users who are not logged in to access the main page because they won't be able to create any tasks. So let's make the page private, requiring the users to be logged in. Right. So if we check out the page main, component import. Oh, this. Ah, I see. There we go. Interesting. How can we create a web scraper for Sales Navigator and ChatGPT? Please help me out. I do not have access to Sales Navigator, so I really can't help you there. But ask ChatGPT, man. There's a ton of videos on my channel for web scraping. If you just want to go around and kind of follow the framework and then figure out the structure of the site, you can just type in, you know, what kind of information you're looking for, and then scrape the page. Yeah, like I said, I don't have access to Sales Navigator, so it'll be kind of tough for me to do it, but it's definitely something on my radar. That's kind of what I'm trying to do with this project here, is like basically Sales Navigator, but on steroids. Now that auth is required for this page. Holy shit. What in the fuck? Just the font is just scaring me. Okay. Now that auth is required for this page, authenticate users will be directed to login, as well as you specify that. Additionally, when auth is true. Okay, that's pretty nice. So it goes back to the, what's it called? Goes back to the login page whenever the user isn't logged in on that page. Wasp DB Studio. Okay. Right. If I just like test this out with like testing password testing 1 2 3, Oh, go to sign up. Testing. Testing 1, 2, 3. Woo! Is it possible to Sales Navigator? It definitely is. I don't know, actually. Might be. Like I said, I haven't checked out Sales Navigator, so I wouldn't know. Wasp Database Studio. CD ST2. All right. Auth user, the 5 tasks, my session token, auth, my username, hashed password. Look at that. Interesting. Okay. We have a user entity alongside the task entity. Okay, now let's check that out. All models. Yeah, we have a user. We even have like the other ones too here. Oh, so we have to make that stuff. Interesting. Okay. Must migrate the database after changing it. Right. So we'll check that there. Let's create our new database. What? Right, okay. Oh, and then this. Testing 2. Awesome. Awesome. Right. All right. Updating queries to check authentication. So we'll update the queries to add actions to forbid access to non-authenticated users to operate only on the currently logged in user tasks. So this interesting. And in the actions. Oh, where? So it has to be the user ID. Right. Okay. Must contain a number. Fuck me. Awesome. And if I go to sign up, And type testing again. Oh, login, duh. What? Oh, did this reset R? Wasp DB Studio. I put that in. What did I put in? Oh, SB, duh. Huh. Users. User 1. I thought I had... User session... Interesting. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh. Interesting. What? Huh. Okay, that's fine. Let's just continue on from now. All right, the main page JSX has this. So we're importing EU. And we're going to add this to the bottom here. Wait. Yeah, I'm tripping. No way. I say fork, create task, log out. Testing, 1, 2, 3. We've got fork. Now if I say I want to sign up for an account, home, 1, 2, 3, sign up, 1, 2, 3, 1, say building, YOLO, send, awesome, testing, 1, 2, 3. We have fork. Oh, look at that. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that awesome? All right, yeah. I think I kind of understand this now. I'm getting the hang of it. It's coming together. But all right. Starter templates. Mage. So we can also check out Mage here. I want to check out if I do just like Excel clone. Okay. Or flip through them. All right. Give me my GitHub account. Oh. What is this fucking French? Dude. What the fuck? I gotta reset my password, guys. This is embarrassing. Oh, no way. That's incredible. Awesome. Look at that, using GPT-4 for planning and GPT 3.5 for coding. I might make a video on this, honestly. This is pretty sweet. I like that it's open source too. That's pretty hype. Interesting. Right. Login, sign up, user, file, create file, update file, delete file, get file, home route, file route, actions, layout, main query, pages, file, home, auth, login. This is a really interesting application, I have to admit. Still want to check out. I guess in the meantime we can go through the GitHub because I already kind of now know. Oh. I think I already, yeah. Run app locally. No, I think I need. File. How can I? There we go. Fuck. Okay. Just save this to my desktop. Got all kinds of memes and shit on here. Extract all. What the hell? What the hell? How the fuck do I... Okay, just... God damn it. God, what the fuck? I don't think this is gonna work, but... Yeah, what the fuck? Why can I not just... Can I do this? Download the zip file. Put them in... Dude, why am I like tripping out here? I have no clue what the fuck. I have to get it into this Ubuntu. Oh. I just want to fucking... Remove folder from workspace. No. I'm like vetching out right here.
Interesting. Okay. Terminal new cp-r. What the fuck? Okay. Awesome. Okay. And then Wasp DB. God damn it. NVMe install 18. Wasp DB. And then Wasp start. We'll get there soon. Maybe one day. It's gonna be a long day from now, but maybe one day. Interesting. Test. Okay. Wasp start. Ha! No way. I don't have an account yet. Lol. Testing 1, 2, 3. Sign up. Oh, fuck me. I literally messed this up because it was already another project. Lol. Testing 1, 2, 3. Doesn't work. New file name. Setup. Hey. Okay. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not good though. That's rough. That's a rough one. All right. We're going to just stick with that for now. Let's check out the last thing before we hop off stream today. That's going to be this SaaS starter kit. We're going to check out this to see if it's any good. This is a... this. Okay. Okay. So... Can I get inside this? I fucked that up completely. I fucking blew that. Oh, God. All right, let's go. Let's go. CD, open SaaS. CD app. What was the code? Wasp migrate something. Wasp dev migrate.
check this out. Header, authentication, Google, GitHub, email, password, DB, Postgres, and great email. Oh. Oh, I need a URL for this. All right. You know what? I actually do have one. Oh, wow. Yeah, this can get long. Huh. My Wasp config. Post. Interesting. Okay. Wow. Okay, this is interesting. We're getting somewhere with this. Wasp root. AS3 bucket. Admin emails. What? If you use Wasp Start DB. Oh, did that work? Am I just tripping? Yeah, the fuck? Wasp DB. Oh, I could just use this one. Oh, fuck. Do not go and steal that, gang. Need your trust on this one. I don't understand. Postgres URL. Open API key. Send emails in development. Let's just see what the good old PBT has in store for us.
I need Docker? I already have Docker. Settings. Did that do anything? Did something. Couldn't tell you what, but it did something. Right. Holy shit. Oh, that's the database connection. CD open SaaS CD app. Test Wasp start. Hallelujah. Look at this, gang. Oh. Oh. It's glorious. And if I... Oh. She looks nice. This is like perfect, honestly. This is like exactly what you need to. Okay. Even has a dark mode. Okay. Go to sign up. Testing 1 2 3, some shit like that. Yeah, I got it to work. Interesting. All right. So I'd have to go through and add all my API keys and stuff to really get this to work on my end. But for now, I think I'm just going to call it there. Jesus Christ. Yeah, it's been a long stream because I already recorded for another like hour and a half today, and I'm just not feeling it right now. But that was a hell of a stream. We got it to work though. Very impressed with Wasp so far. I'm gonna poke around with it in the coming days and see where we get with it. I have some videos coming up soon, so stay tuned for those. Probably record and post a video tomorrow on my my Instagram bot. People are probably gonna use it and abuse the fuck out of it, but whatever. My mentality is to just post whatever I get. So yeah, that's what we're going with. Anyway, it's enough for this stream. I'm
I'm gonna catch you guys probably later in the week for a day 2 of me building this out. And I don't think I'm gonna stop until I have at least some semblance of a SaaS. I mean, worst case scenario, I have a better idea of what I'm doing in terms of being a dev. But yeah, so see you guys later. Take care.